Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the Wall Mindset. So in this one, I'm going to be taking a look at millennial finances be like. So I think that, dude, millennials got it rough already. You know, I used to think a bunch of different things, but then as, you know, I watched more videos, read more articles, like it's rough. It's rough out there. You know, the timing of things and, you know, with the debt and how expensive everything is, they get a bad rap. So I want to see what they got for them. And this is probably more crap for the millennials, but let's see.
Thanks for coming, man. I'm great friends with your dad.
Yeah, well, he made me do this, or he said he'd stop paying my phone bill, so.
Let's just start with the basics. What do you do, and how much do you make?
I had a great GPA, resume, strategic communications, and I could barely find a job, and I hate it, and I make 34K.
Okay.
Got some really good, strong strategic relocations. And I make a strong 38K a year. Dude, that's rough. Damn, that's that's rough.
How about college loan?
Yeah, could have used you, Bernie. Feeling the burn. I for sure am. I'll pay those later, though.
Okay, let's talk about expenses.
Daily Starbucks.
Well, you can talk about that later. Wait, how much you owe?
No, they already had mine. And then Samuel's food. I gotta take care of Samuel, his vitamins, his medicine, his shots.
I had no idea you had a child.
I love Samuel. Love of my life, man.
Okay.
Okay, what other monthly expenses do you have?
I mean, Netflix, of course. Netflix and chill. That should be Spotify
Gotta have
Premium,
some Netflix.
Hulu, or Amazon Prime. What am I, Psychopath? Of course I have that. No, I use someone else's HBO. Oh, I upped my iCloud storage. Orange Theory, yeah. Orange, you glad you pay for that and go once a month?
I mean, folks got a lot of their subscriptions, right? Like they gotta have their Netflix and chill, gotta have their Amazon Prime, you know, and a bunch of other stuff. So I guess, that's probably true.
Hey, moving on. What do you do? Cable. Do you pay for that or? Oh, I use my parents' login. I definitely don't pay for that. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Living situation. Do you rent? Do you own? Do you have a mortgage?
Mortgage. Yeah, pay a mortgage.
There you go.
Okay.
Good for you. Okay. Tell me what that looks like. Is it 15-year, 30-year? What's the down payment?
Easy here, smart guy. My dad did all that. I have no idea.
Okay. Well, you know how the only difference between like renting and owning a house is just the down payment? My daddy did that.
Dude, I don't know about this one. That's probably like a very small percentage of folks. Dad just helped them do it. They wish. Okay, so many people wish they had the bank of mom and dad coming in and saving the day.
Savings.
Finally, something I'm good at.
Oh yeah, 20% off. 40% off. These jeans.
Get some good deals.
Half off. All of it retails for like hundreds of dollars, but savings. Just about every day I get something off an Instagram ad that's like 20% off. It's like it knows I love to buy things on sale.
No, like not spending.
Okay, yes, I was getting to that. I had to cancel a lot of flights and travel. I have a ton of free flights next year. Not to mention all my Southwest points. You gotta really spell this out. Are you depositing things? Yes, so many emotional deposits. It's just been a hard year for us, right? So many emotional deposits.
Yo, this is messed up, dude. Just giving people crap out here. Yeah, that's about it. Only got your emotional deposits and all your savings in deals that you get.
Deposits, self-care days.
So zero.
Let's talk about your future. How are you preparing? Do you any investments? Yeah, actually, that's one of kind of my hobbies. Oh, okay. What are we working with? Do you do mutual funds, bonds, CDs?
No, I'm not. Kickstarter.
Yeah, I've invested a few of those. My most recent one is like an iPhone clamp that goes right on your wheel, so you don't miss any text.
Hey, Kickstarter's big, right? People be doing that. Just investing in someone else's business, buying their products.
Really good driver. I think it'll be great. Also, man, CDs are kind of out. Yeah,
It's okay, Boober.
401k. You got something like that?
We're supposed to be adding them up. I've done a number of 5Ks, but
retirement. That's something I want to talk about. I'd like to do that ASAP. Okay, well, in order to really retire comfortably, you're gonna need several $1 million.
Oh.
I'm thinking. You did my dad's will, right? How am I looking? He's kind of a bigger guy. He probably won't last long. I can't wait to ask this, but what?
That's sad. That leads into a different thing. Dude, you really want to depend on the government. You want to depend on mom and dad to leave you with something. Like, that's really not the best game plan. There's better ways to save and invest and do that yourself.
What are your like entertainment expenses? I have a few things, less than usual for obvious reasons, but I'm a groomsman at Nick's wedding. I have a bachelor party for Jake. I have a first kid's birthday party for Brad and Becca. I have an engagement shower for Drew and Claire. There's a couple shower for Jim and Jessica. We'll have to throw a birthday party for Samuel. There's a first birthday party for either a dog or a kid for Sammy and Sammy. That's kind of fun, right?
You do start losing track though. It might be a birthday party for a dog or a kid, I'm not sure.
I have a bachelorette.
We gotta leave here with one positive thing. You gotta cut back on one thing. What is it?
Okay. I guess one thing I could... Gas money. I could try to limit that. Gas money.
Okay, there you go. Little by little, baby steps.
By buying a Tesla.
Yeah, thank you.
No.
Genius.
This has been great.
Dude, okay, that's another thing. It's a whole different topic, but my thoughts, when you go and you buy a Tesla thinking you're saving money, like, compared to some gas car, that's some fancy gas car, maybe, you would save a difference, but if you already have a gas car, you're gonna sell it to get that, then you're losing out. And if you really wanna save money, there's plenty of cars that are like compact EVs that are like 20, 30K after the federal, state, incentives that they give you, those rebates, those credits, and that'll really save you money. But if you're going out to buy a Tesla for like 40, 50K, getting yourself into another payment, screwed.
Appreciate it.
Wait, there is one thing I think you should buy.
Well, what? I love spending money.
Trey Kennedy's new one-night-only live stream comedy event is this thing on.
He's doing another one? He did one of those in July.
Yes, with all new material.
Give me the details. What?
It's live November 24th at 8 p.m. Central and
All
access.
right, nice little promo for themselves. But this was interesting. There's a lot of stuff that our folks are actually doing that are putting themselves in a really bad situation. There's things in here that I mean, sadly, are true. I think so. There's really a lot of things that people need to work out and get to a point where they're actually setting themselves up for their future. But if you're doing any of this stuff, like, really got to think about it and look into that, and and have better savings than just on deals on Instagram and deals that you can get out there. So this one was funny. It's interesting. I thought definitely millennials got it rough. Okay, I think they got it rough. A lot of these things, I don't think most people have the bank of mom and dad to bail them out and get them a mortgage and set that all up for them. So if they got to do it themselves, it's going to be tough with student loans and with, other debt and with a strong 38K income. It's not happening. So I'm giving millennials less and less crap, but I think they'll be okay. I think they're coming out. They're working through things. Everybody's going to be fine. But that's it. That's all I got for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.